Hi everyone and welcome to week 3. We're going to keep building on our skills this week in terms of reading and reading comprehension. We have a few goals and assignments happening this week. Make sure that you complete your reading assignments and the reading quiz that goes along with it. Remember that it's important to annotate as you're reading to help you do better on those quizzes and find the answers more quickly. We have a discussion about one of the readings that we'll do this week, about being specific in your writing and why that's important. And then we're working on summary and paraphrase this week. There is a page here that talks a little bit about summary and paraphrase and has some exercises, as well as this major assignment for the week is the summary and paraphrase assignment. So you have a quiz, a discussion, and then this assignment to do. The other things you want to be aware of are these two content pages at the bottom, as well as the other reading assignments that you have for the week. It's really important that you start to get these ideas down in terms of sentence structure and varying sentences, as these will come in handy later. In a few weeks we'll have a quiz on this information. So you want to start learning it now, and each week we will build a little bit more. So you want to start practicing now. Make sure that you also check out the week overview so that you are always sure of what your objectives are. And I also have a video here for how to view my feedback on your assignment so that you always know where to look for any information I can give you about how you're doing on your work. All right, I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.